This is JTwisdom, and I am doing a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. I don't do many unboxings, so I thought it'd be good to do an unboxing. QVC has a Dooney and Bourke Dooney of the Month tote, and it's a Tobi tote, and it's in Saffiano. So let's see what it looks like. I have to remember what color. I think I got. Let's see what color we actually got. So let's see here. So I had been looking for a bag that I could carry like a laptop and all that in, but and so I found that in another brand, a Patricia Nash bag that I really like. And I must admit, just a brief update on that bag. That bag is holding my laptop just fine, and the files that I put in it, and it looks great. And so I looked at the bag, this Dooney and Bourke of the Month QVC that had on, and they said it was exclusive, but when I was looking in the comments, it looks like other ladies have had it for they like bought a version of it like a year ago or something like that, and they said they really liked it. And one thing we know about Saffiano is that Saffiano, you can get water on it. It just does not, you know, it does very well as far as care and upkeep. So the bag retails for, well, at least the bag is $249, and it's Dooney and Bourke Saffiano tote. And the color that I got is dandelion, because I do not actually have like a mustard or yellow handbag. And one thing about me is that when it comes to color, I wear color not just in the summertime. Not like I would just pick out a dandelion bag in the summertime. I would wear that bag all year long, because color, you always need color when it's in the summertime, in the wintertime, in the fall. So this bag, this is the packaging, and it looks like it's packaged really nicely. It's got the paper and everything. I can tell it looks like it's been taped and everything, so it's really nice. And look at that, it has like all the little, yeah, and everything. So it looks like it's packed really nice. So let's see here. It's packed very well. And one thing I like about this bag is because it seems like it was really it could be a workhorse for your wardrobe. And you know, I've been looking at the bags in my closet, and I was like, I really need to go through and see like, what am I wearing, what am I really not wearing anymore, and that kind of thing, and then just see what, you know, what I want to do with that. And because I know we've heard a lot about like the Marie Kondo method as far as getting rid of things and stuff like that, but you want to make sure you want to know why you're getting rid of it, and do you need to replace it, or because you don't want to just get rid of things and then, you know, you're just getting rid of all your stuff, and then now it's empty and you don't really know why you're getting rid of it, because there is more of an emotional side of getting rid of things and cleansing things, so it's really a process. But if you'd like to see a video on that, I can talk about that kind of stuff too, because I do that periodically, where I will look at things and see like, do I wear them anymore? And this is even before Marie Kondo, that I would look at things and see if, do I really need them? Do I need to get rid of, do I need to maybe bless someone with them? So it's just those kind of things. So as I am unpacking for $249, this is a lot of bag. This is a lot of bag. Yeah, so it's in dandelion, and it actually has like the Dooney and Bourke 1975 logo, gold on the front. It has handles, and they have like circular jewelry, kind of like attachments to them for the handle, the handle to the bag. It actually zips, so it zips really well. It's secure. There's actually even, now wow, they actually even put Dooney and Bourke packaging, they folded that over even with the dust bag. Nice. I'm gonna keep that. I keep now. If the packaging is nice, I really am into recycling and sustainability and being ecologically friendly. So I'm keeping this. I'm keeping that. And I recycle all this. This does not go in the trash. This goes into the recycle bin. Are you into recycling? Let me know. And the silica gel is in here. There's 2 bags of the silica gel. We know that's for packaging. There's, you know, packaging and shipping and everything. So there is, I'm going to stand up. So this is a big bag. It's even like a little packaging in there. So this is a big bag. You can get a lot in this bag. I mean, if you wanted to get a files or something like that in here, you could. So it has a leech for your keys. There are 2 pockets. Let me just turn this around. There are 2 pockets here if you wanted to use them for your sunglasses, your readers, lipstick, health bar, you know. And then on this side, you can see it has like the red. This is cotton lining. And then there's a pocket, nice size pocket here if you wanted to put something in here, business cards or something like that. Then there is a zippered compartment here, and it has a little registration and everything. So it has that here. And there, and then again, I said your leech for your keys, and then it has the tassel here, and let's see here. So yeah, so it's like the zipper closes and opens pretty smoothly. And this is a nice size bag. So I have on this dress, and this dress, I'll talk about this dress. This is Isaac Mizrahi dress. I'll talk about this dress. It actually has scalloped edges on the bottom too, so I'll talk about that. And it is like a cotton blend, and so I really like that for the summertime, because wearing polyester in the summertime when there's humidity and heat is no fun. So back to the bag. So this is a nice size bag. You can see the top stitching down the front, on along the details here, and then on the back of the bag you can see there's the top stitching here, and then the top stitching here, and then you can also see that there is feet on the bag. The bag is Saffiano leather, so you know that all you'd have to do is just wipe it off. So I really think this is really a neat bag that I could use for work, or you know, you can use it for work. It comes in a ton of colors. The dimensions of the bag are 11 3/4 wide by 12, so it's 12.5 inches in height and 7 3/4 depth. So the body of the bag is leather, and the inside of the bag, as I said before, is cotton, and the color is, it's red inside. So you know, if you have anything in here, you know you will not get lost. It won't get lost because it's not black. I like that. I like it when the inside of the bag has a color, because then I know that I will not, it will not be hard for me to be able to see what's in my bag. So the bag is really a workhorse bag. It's I think that the tassels add a touch of uniqueness with the bag. I think it's a bag that you could carry to work. I think you could carry this bag to church. I think you could easily put an iPad, or a small, if you wanted to put a small laptop or Chromebook or something like that, like a 13-inch or maybe even a 15-inch in this bag. You could put your files in here, or if you wanted to put in, like, suppose like you wanted to put in like your gym clothes, you know, in here after work, and you wanted to make sure you wanted to put your, like, if you wanted to put your socks, or you wanted to put your you know, your change your shoes or something like that in here that you could. It's really a nice bag, and I think this bag would be good too, like if you were traveling and you wanted to have this bag when you were traveling, and it could easily go in your luggage. It could easily go in your luggage because it has a really small width footprint. So I really like this bag. I'll probably be doing another video on the bag of to talk about like what I would actually put in it, and talk about like what I would put in it and what I thought about it. So let me know what you think of the bag in the comments. I'm just overwhelmed by the depth. I mean, look at that, how much you could get in this bag. And I mean, right now I can say that the bag is not heavy. I think the bag is 2 pounds. I really have scaled down on what I put in my handbags, so my handbags do not feel heavy when I wear them, because you want to make sure that your back and everything else is ergonomically on point. So you really want to be able to make sure that what you're putting in your bag is not weighing you down. So there's the unboxing. The bag was packed. It was actually and they packed it very well, and it packed it really nicely. I mean, I think that's the first time ever I've seen where they actually put like the little paper on the dust bag. They had it like this. I mean, that's really nice. So let me know your thoughts, and let me know, like, would you carry this to work, or would you carry this like if you were, because usually like in church I take notes, and you know, my pastor is like, he's a lifelong learner, and he has I take notes and stuff. So I really like carrying my iPad and carrying my notebook with my little journal notebook with me and stuff. So that'd be perfect for something like that. So just let me know. And how would you pack it? And then I'll do a video later just to show you what I actually put in it, or what actually I could put in it. So until next time, I hope you're having a great day. I appreciate you. God's blessings over you. God is for you. Jesus is Lord. And until next time, this is JTwisdom. Hey, I was just curious because I actually take my laptop to and from work. So I was just curious to see if my laptop, I have a 15-inch Mac laptop. I had a 17-inch at one time, but that baby was way too heavy for me to be carrying back and forth to work. So I scaled down to the 15-inch Mac top, and I wanted to see if it fit in here. So it fits in here perfectly. Look at that. I mean, this is a 15-inch Mac laptop, and it fits in here. Look at that. There's enough height, enough width. It's not like I'm tightening it in here. It fits in here perfectly. So I think for what the bag costs, I think this is awesome. So this is a perfect work bag. And it is not, I mean, and you can see that it's not overwhelming or big or huge or anything like that. And it's just really a nice bag. And then to know that it has feet on it too. Very nice bag. So, really nice.